Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of my vlog. So for today's video is I'm fixing this watch na nabili ko from the store. It's a little bit bigger on me. It's actually a bit bigger. So I already got this toolkit that I used before to fix my watch to make it smaller, fit my wrist. So it's very easy, guys. So you just push it with the tools there, the blue one. You just turn that knob at the end, then push. But katapos yung i-turn, guys, yung knob is pop up lang yung screw sa other end. So it's actually very easy to do. Tapos ayan, natanggal ko na yung isang part. I actually take 4 because I have to redo it again because when I adjust it, it's still a little bit bigger. So I take another part from the wristwatch. So ayan, guys, almost done there. It's actually very easy. Maybe I did this like 3 to 5 minutes work. So yeah, kasi guys, before I already used this tool, so I don't because I have this tool to fix it. So yeah, especially if then guys, napakadali talagang gamitin itong tool set na to. So actually it's very cheap too. I got this maybe 3-4 years ago. So ginamit ko siya once, then so ngayon every time na bibili ako, it doesn't matter if it's big on me as long as I like the style, and I'll just get it kasi my tools naman ako how to fix it to make it fit on my arm or on my wrist. So ayan, guys, almost done na dyan. So actually there's one part that I take a little bit longer kasi I did it on the wrong side. So yeah, guys, just be careful kung take kayo ng mga screw kasi sometimes, or it's actually the first time happen na sa kabilang side ko siya na i-push instead of doon sa kabila kasi makikita nyo naman, guys, yung difference ng screw sa end to end. Hindi naman siya screw, parang little tiny metal lang siya, or yeah, very small one. Tapos ayan, guys, so nahihirapan ako kasi sa kabila ko siya na i-push, diba? Kasi makikita nyo talaga, guys. So yeah, huwag kayong matakot na i-fix yung watch nyo, especially kung may tools kayo na ganito, kasi napakadali. Hindi naman yan sasabog, guys. So tatanggalin nyo lang yung screw dyan, tapos tatanggalin nyo yung mga part na hindi nyo kailangan, tapos after that is pagdugtungin nyo ulit gamit yung screw na tinanggal nyo from it. So ayan, guys, nahirapan niya ako dyan, gumamit na ako dyan ng pliers para tanggalin yan, pero napakahirap talaga. But at the end is natanggal ko naman siya. So yan, nahirapan talaga tayo. So kailangan nating i-force. Yeah, it's my fault na mali yung pinush kong knob, or mali yung side na pinush ko. So ayan, try ko ulit siya, but makikita nyo, guys, pag tama yung pagkagawa nyo kasi kunting twist lang dito sa knob ng blue tools na yan is magpa-pop up right away yung screw niya. So kaya when I push it, I already know that I did it wrong way tayo. So na wrong way tayo. So ayan, medyo nahirapan talaga ako, guys. Diyan ako medyo tumagal-tagal. So instead na 1 minute work lang or 2, tumagal tayo ng about 5 minutes. Yeah, so but at the end it worked really good naman kasi na-fix ko siya, and then so ayan, guys, siya. So natagalan talaga ako dahil dyan sa maling area ng aking pagka-push. So matatapos ko na rin, makuha ko na rin yung screw dyan. Tapos tinay ko siya after na matanggal ko yung screw. Tinay ko siya kung okay na siya. Binalik ko, put them together, tapos tinay ko siya. I used him for like that night. Then I realized that it's still a little bit bigger on me. So in the morning, ayan, tinanggal ko ulit yung isa niyan. So hindi ko na pinakita sa video, pero tinanggalan ko ulit siya ng isang part. Kasi ang pangit ng pagkakatanggal, hindi pantay. So especially kasi maliit lang yung reluhan ko dito. Maliit lang talaga yung rest ko. So kaya yan guys, medyo natagalan tayo. Tapos ayan na nga, nakuha ko na. At the end, nakuha ko na siya. And tinatanggal ko ulit yung isang side dyan. Tapos siya na yata yung last na, tingnan nyo guys. So push nyo lang, i-twist nyo, ayan, magpa-pop up right away. Kaya alam nyo guys, so nakita nyo, nag-pop up right away. So it's easy to take them off or take them to take the screw out. Kasi mabilis lang talaga siya. So bali all together, 4 yung natanggal ko dyan. Kasi tatlo muna tinanggal ko. Then I tried it, wore it overnight, and in the morning, yun nga, tinanggalan ko ulit siya ng isa kasi medyo malaki-laki pa rin. So ayan, ibabalik ko na. Kasi guys, yung dito sa lock niya, yun yung ayaw ko ng pagka-fix kasi medyo nasa side. So, kaya tinanggalan ko. Then, okay naman ang tinanggalan ko kasi it's actually fit perfect for me na. So, ayan. Ngayon niya, isuot-suot ko na siya. Super pretty. Tapos, yung kulay niya is rose gold. Ayan guys. So, malapit na rin tayong matapos dyan. So, ayan. So, this is the process of me putting them all back together. So, ayan na siya guys. Ano mo lang siya, tapos pwede rin na mailagay na lang yung screw right away. Tapos, may hammer dyan, yung hammer for watch hindi yung regular hammer. So, make sure na tama yung side ng paglalagyan mo ng screw. Ayan, so, hammer ko na. Nakita mo siya guys. So, ayan yung hammer niya. Ayan, diba? Repair, ano rin ako. Lahat nila ginagawa. Kasi guys, if you go to a repair shop you're gonna spend more money. Compare to if you have the tool and just do it yourself. Very easy, quick, and very inexpensive. O, diba? Para hindi ka na nagbabayad pa ng mahal. So, ayan, malapit na nga tayo. Then, yung kabilang side na naman ang ating ipuput together. So, kinuha ko na nga dyan yung screw para ilagay doon sa kabilang side ng ating watch. Tapos, pukpuk lang tayo. Of course, huwag masyadong pukpuk kasi masisira yung ating relay. Pukpuk lang ng kinuha ko yung kabilang side. Kasi I don't feel na hindi siya nag-ano yung gusto ko nandun ang figure na other side ng ating hammer para sa watch. So, ayan guys, tapos na siya. O, diba? Saan ka pa? Hindi ka na nagbayad. Tapos, ayan. Makikita nyo guys, medyo malaki kaya in-adjust